Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protectors you can buy on Amazon. Link are in the description, do check them out. Come along on a journey through the best screen protectors, where design and function come together to protect your Galaxy S24 Ultra in a way that's both stylish and secure. So let's get started. On number 5. Weskin. With the WSKN Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protector, you may enjoy improved functionality. Its true touch feel and thin 0.24mm thickness alleviate unlocking problems without interfering with the fingerprint sensor's ability to work. This tempered glass encourages relaxation and suggests re-entering fingerprints for best results. In addition to its 10x military shockproof upgrade and edge-strengthening design, the protector offers 9H hardness and anti-fingerprint properties to keep your Galaxy S24 Ultra safe. Dust and fingerprints are kept at bay by the smooth surface provided by the plasma oleophobic coating. Weskin makes installation easier by removing dust automatically in 10 seconds and aligning precisely with no bubbles. Restore the original quality of the Samsung S24 Ultra screen with incredibly clear graphics and touch sensitivity. The screen protector is built to endure normal life impacts, is double durable, and comes with lifetime support for a variety of issues via Amazon Contact. On number 4. Spigen Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Specifically created for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Galaxy S24 Ultra Screen Protector by Spigen comes in a handy 2-pack and includes a clever auto-alignment installation kit for simple application. Because it is made of tempered glass with a 9H hardness grade, the gadget is protected for a long time. The oleophobic layer keeps the screen surface clean by providing constant resistance to fingerprints. The screen protector maintains the natural brightness of the screen with exceptional clarity. It is also made to work with all Spigen Galaxy S24 Ultra cases, providing complete protection for the device and guaranteeing a flawless user experience. On number 3. Huawei 2-Pack Galaxy. With its Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protector, Huawei presents state-of-the-art technology that allows smooth fingerprint and Face ID unlocking capabilities without sacrificing touch sensitivity. The ultra-thin 0.25mm tempered glass film guarantees responsive gaming and seamless app operations when combined with a plasma oleophobic coating. The S24 Ultra's eco-friendly installation tray offers a biodegradable solution, protects against environmental dust, and makes installation simple and quick, all in just 5 seconds. With its amazing 25 degrees anti-spy screen guard and cutting-edge cutting technology, this protector reduces glare and keeps resolution sharp, making the content visible only to those who are directly in front of the screen. In the event that there are installation or product quality difficulties, Huawei promises a flawless installation and provides a fast replacement. With the sophisticated features of the S24 Ultra screen protector, you can secure your privacy and redefine device security and user experience. On number 2. Ultraglass UNBRAK Top 9H Plus. Presenting the state-of-the-art nanotech glass, a technological marvel that ensures 100% successful fingerprint unlocking. Enhanced by unique UE tech, this incredibly thin and resilient glass guarantees perfect ultrasonic signal transmission for a fast and accurate unlocking experience, saying goodbye to unreliable or slow fingerprint identification. Designed to serve as the second screen for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the indestructible Top 9H Plus nanotech glass offers unmatched durability and shatterproofness. Its primary component, the best 9H Plus nanotech glass, is 7 to 8 times more durable than substitutes and is extensively used in aerospace and military applications. It has exceptional shatterproof, scratch, and wear-resistant properties. It outperforms all rivals in terms of strength, hardness, and longevity, earning it the title of Best Military-Grade Shatterproof Glass in the business. With automatic alignment, dust and air bubble removal, and absorption technology, the installation process is easily simplified and results in a perfect, faultless application. With this screen protector, anyone may quickly become an expert at using the Galaxy S24 Ultra, wave goodbye to bothersome faults, and have a flawless experience. On number 1. ESR. With ultra-tough tempered glass designed to take up to 33 pounds of strain, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra exclusive screen protector delivers military-grade protection against drops, bumps, and scratches. Its strong resistance to scratches guarantees that the device's screen will always be perfect. The full coverage design leaves enough room around the sides for compatibility with a case, and its 2.5D micro-curved edges precisely follow the curves of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra screen to provide a seamless fit and prevent dust accumulation. In addition to guaranteeing complete face recognition compatibility, the protector preserves high-definition clarity. This high-end accessory offers the best screen protection by fusing robustness, use, and style. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy S24 Ultra screen protectors. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. Thank you.